now in the mid stage is really super impressive. Not over yet, though, for the Unicorns of Love. It was a drop, but it's not one from which they can't recover if they wind up having some excellent defenses. So let's give them a chance here as we watch Kingpen, the next attacker in for rest, get the job done with a Queen Charge Dragon Rider, the new classic in air attacks.
Used the Battle Blimp with the Goblins to take out the Town Hall at the north. Fortunately, that did work out for him because we have seen and GH Rest were baited in the first attack using a similar method, but now to the opposite side of the base, the Queen is nicely getting through the Clan Castle troops, just sending in those balloons little by little to try and find the Seeking Air Mines. The Wall Breaker across to the right-hand side. He's got to hope that the Tesla don't pull the Queen. Looks like it definitely will not at this stage. She does move across to that right-hand side. He's still got a couple of wall breakers. Looks like he's going to try and dive the king or the royal champion into the right-hand side as well.
A multi-stage hit here, still taking shape. Kingpin's taking his sweet time, but if he knocks them all down early on, he should have a clean path through the center of the space, having taken down the top and bottom corners. I am a little bit concerned, though, that the Eagle Artillery still standing up from this initial strike is going to just start piling up damage heavy on his attackers. Now he is going to be able to heal through some of it, but can he keep that Queen alive through the thick of it? He's going to be forced to drop a Rage. He's still holding on to that ability, and he's doing everything that he can to supplement. Here he goes now with the main phase of the attack, actually at the bottom left corner, going straight for that Eagle Artillery early on. I like this positioning, Judo.
Yeah, I'm not sure what he wanted the king to do there, to be honest with you. I guess he just used it to create pathing for the Queen, but he's missed the multi-target Inferno. He's also not got ideal pathing for the Dragon Riders. They are struggling as well. There's one lonely Dragon Rider in the middle helping the Queen, and thankfully she gets through one Inferno, but all of her healers are now down, and with the Dragon Riders struggling, GH Rest might not be able to get this. It's still a little bit close to call, though. He's got the RC ability and the freeze spell, but can he use them in perfect time?
Yeah, if those healers had stayed up on the Queen, it might have been enough to keep him alive. Maybe even dropping a freeze spell early on that multi-target Inferno could have gotten him in there. He still is going to have a valiant effort, and this is going to be more percentage, certainly, than the Unicorns of Love were able to put up with their most recent attack.
Might still get it.
Cross your fingers, but I don't know. A multi-target Inferno against these minions is going to be pretty effective. And with a Tornado Trap, that is the final nail in the coffin. A 2-star 97% as Kingpin splits